What are we doing?
Now we're gonna do something really bizarre.
No,
I have no recipe. This probably.
She's going drunk with power. Help!
It probably.
What are we doing?
won't
Oh my
turn
god!
out.
Hey, wait, what are we doing?
But we'll
What are you
see.
pouring in there? Oh,
So
hell,
we've
my
got
God.
3 cups of half
Oh
and
jeez, I
half.
need to stop smacking that. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
quit smacking the frickin' camera.
Oh, don't worry, the audience likes it.
Ooh, kinky audience. 3 cups of
Mother,
cream.
kids are watching.
Nobody's watching.
I mean, you're not wrong, but still.
There's 3 cups of heavy cream.
Oh,
Okay, you know what? I'm just throwing stuff together. I don't have a recipe. I don't
You've
know
already
if
said
this
that.
Is, I don't know if it's so what. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Hey, look at that. It's white.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
Hey. What else you got over there? Oh,
Strawberry
Oh no!
Kool-Aid.
Don't drink the purple Kool-Aid.
It's not purple.
Oh well, I mean on the camera.
Strawberry Kool-Aid.
Yeah, see, we're going fucking gourmet on this.
And then
We're professionals.
we're gonna do
What is that? Hey, what is
This
it? What
is
is it? What is it? Hey,
sugar-free
what-
strawberry
Holy shit,
syrup.
that's really strong. Oh god, oh jeez. Oh, holy shit. Oh, I'm gonna die.
1.
You know.
Shut up.
Fuck
2.
you. Man, you know it's
3.
gourmet. It's in a fucking glass bottle.
3.
See, it's
What you're
gourmet.
smelling is
Death.
the
Look at you. I
Kool-Aid.
was gonna say, oh well, fine, never mind. I was gonna say, look at this. It looks like fucking somebody died.
Not totally.
Hey, you know what? It still looks white.
Okay, we're
Oh.
gonna put in some.
And it smells awful.
We're gonna put in some Swerve confectioner sugar.
Oh, okay, thank God. Otherwise, I don't know, I was gonna make a dance joke or something. Hey, we're adding white to white. Like, I'm not gonna
There's
say
a-
that.
And there's a little bit of that stuff.
Oh, what stuff? What type of stuff we talking about, huh?
A little bit
What
of
are
that
we doing?
Swerve confectioner sugar.
Oh,
Now-
God. Gosh. Cameraman's dying.
Clean spoon.
Oh, you need a clean spoon.
I'm gonna taste it.
Uh-oh. Man down, man down.
Wow,
I see that red in there.
that is really good.
Don't lie to the audience. I see that red in there. It's the blood.
That is actually really good.
Don't believe her lies.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit more.
No, you do not need that, trust me. Seriously. Do you know how expensive that is? It's like 5 cents per bottle.
It is kind of expensive.
Well, fuck me then.
5 tablespoons of the
Oh, God.
sweetener.
Oh, and my nostrils are about to die. Help me.
Now I'm gonna get another clean spoon
Oh,
because I'm not gonna taint my
you're
recipe.
being wasteful. How dare you? Oh, Nelly. Oh,
God, that is really good.
stop it. We've made a horrible mistake.
It tastes wonderful.
Wonderful.
Okay, now I'm gonna
It
prep
looks like
the.
puke.
You're puke.
What did I do?
I'm gonna prep the ice cream maker now.
Just, I go more in on the machine, but this is on a tripod. And we're on the table. Look at the burbly. Look at the burb. Oh great, she has some vodka to it. Why,
Okay.
see, this one's even more fancy. Oh, look at that. We got
Potato
glacier.
vodka.
So vodka. Yeah, we got it from the fucking glorious place of Idaho.
And what this does. What
It's from
this
Idaho.
does. Is it?
I think so.
I don't think so.
I think it's from Idaho. He's from Idaho.
New Jersey. Producted? What the hell does producted mean?
It means that it was produced.
and bottled by
Glory to
Whitby,
my...
Idaho.
I told you it was from Idaho.
Yes,
It's
okay.
the only thing that Idaho's known for
Anyway.
is potatoes.
That's about
Potato.
That's about 2
Potato.
tablespoons of vodka.
2 potato spoons? What are potato spoons?
2 tablespoons
Potato?
of vodka
Did you know that the truth smells like
Two.
potatoes?
to keep it from
Keto?
hardening too much.
That normally, well, I was going to say, it normally has the opposite effect in people.
Just
Look at that, it's foaming. It looks almost bad. It's like, what are you... this might just be the thumbnail.
okay. Are we done?
Are we? And
Yep.
enough?
Well, I'm just
Nah,
gonna.
It's clumpy though.
Well, so what?
Well, that's fine.
Shouldn't strawberry ice cream be clumpy?
No, that's the chunk of human left in it.
Ew.
Note how she didn't say that's wrong. She just said ew.
I just said ew.
Ew.
Human chunks.
Yeah, delicious. Blurp, 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 blurp.
Here's our strawberry.
Oh, wait, what? No, wait, oh, hey, what is it? Oh, my lordy. Oh, my lordy.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Look at
So
that.
much strawberry.
Doesn't that look cool?
Not really. Quickly, scoop it out. Hurry.
Quickly.
Before it gets out. Oh, no, it's going to kill me.
It's got a really nice consistency.
Don't lie. Now let's keep right in there. Right in there. Don't hit the camera with that, please. It looks like Play-Doh.
It is.
No wonder you like it. You are a kid on the inside. Oh yeah, if we end up eating about 30 scoops of this, we can make some cake frosting with it. Just add more sugar.
This is sugar-free ice cream.
Well, then it won't work. To be fair, this
It
looks...
probably would work.
I was gonna say, to be fair, this looks a lot more like ice cream. Like actual like scoops than the other stuff.
Oh, it's melting!
No, hurry! Quick, get it in there! And you're gonna see our quickly! Don't let it melt! We're in the fucking north! It's a lot of ice cream.
A lot more than the other.
Ew. And we didn't have to stir for 1.5 million
Okay,
years.
good enough.
We got
That's
it.
going into the freezer.
Quickly! Before it's too late! Action cam! Come on, action cam!
No, it's going in the other
Oh, it's going in the other freezer? Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Well, okay, I'll just, I guess you instead get to go see Dog. Hey, Dog, I know it's really dark. Dog, there's the light one. I guess it has the puppy dog of approval. But that was it, everybody. You now got the ice cream. All the ice cream that you could want, the bubblies. Bye now.